I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Crafty Cat's 50 Stack Challenge, and these are cards 3 and 4, and our prompts are blue and orange. And I want to do one more Wizard of Oz card because I plan on having 3 signatures in my journal, so I kind of want the same type in each signature. So I've got some assorted Wizard of the Oz things, and then I've got some orange for this, and I'm not sure. I go towards fall, so I may do something like that, or I just may use some different types of orange. So this has been such a fun challenge. I did cards 1 and 2 last week, and I love how they turned out. I don't have exactly the guest check. Our Walmart has been out, but I'm just using the sales orders, and I think it works just fine. It has 50 plus some of the carbons with it, and I'll just go with this, and I think it'll be just fine. They're almost the same size, and this may be just a tad bigger, but it all works out. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Amy's channel, Crafty Cat. I'll have it listed in my description box down below. And be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's cards 3 and 4. And I did another pocket with this one. Actually 2 pockets. And it just got a little journaling spot there. And another little journaling spot. Just tuck it in there. And I really love how it turned out. I think it's sweet. And then I've got my fall, and I love how the birds pop. You kind of got that black and orange, which always goes together. And I just put a little bit of gold foil to make it pop. And it's got find joy in the ordinary. And I love nature and birds and flowers, and I love finding joy in things such as that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. The comments really help our channels to grow, and it helps it to get recommended to other people, and it doesn't cost you anything. So please leave a comment. And be sure and check out Amy's Crafty Cat channel. She is such a talented lady. And so until next time, bye y'all.